we are very excited today in Microsoft. We are very excited that we have the private cloud solutions announcing in the market, and we are very excited about System Center 2012. The real challenge that majority of the customers that I have spoke to were, how do you actually land this? Do I have the tools? Do I have the technology to help me to run private cloud solutions in my data centers? So with System Center 2012 and Microsoft Private Cloud solutions, we truly believe that we are the only solutions that is in the market right now that can help you to effectively deploy a private cloud scenario in your data centers. And I'm going to roll out this project that is called Stock Traders services to my customers. Now, the first thing that I will come to is this service catalog that is provided by my IT departments. This service catalog is basically out of the box from System Centers, all right? So now, it's a web-based solutions. Now, out of the box, you can actually see that there are plenty of choices in terms of what you want to do. You are able to customize it to fit your organization needs. So I'm going to just go ahead and go about on requesting for a cloud services that support me on my stock tracker services. Now, one of the things that I talk about customization, we make this demo very simple. We customize it a little bit in such a way that, is this an urgent project or low priority? So Daniel is going to say that I need this immediately. Now, you can also customize in such a way that whether you want as a business requirements, when you roll this out, whether it's for testing or for actual deployment, IT can actually base on that and decide what type of resources they are going to give you. Are they going to give you a fiber channel disk or just a normal SCSI disk? Throughout the entire process, this is all integrated to the backend. And we actually, in System Center 2012, we actually have a backend process that integrate all these different requests that is coming in from the self-service portal. So Daniel is just going to go ahead and create that request, and you see that there is an ID being generated, and this is going to push to the backend. Automation process of Microsoft Private Cloud technology is going to kick in and actually route through the approval process to the relevant peoples. Now, Daniel, again, acting as the approval manager in this case, you can actually see that at the back end, there is a process defined who and when to go and approve a request like this. The private cloud scenarios, one of the concepts that we have built in Microsoft Private Cloud is called the service template. Now, the service template is basically, you can look at it as a template that you can deploy in your organization to help you to do a couple things. Now, with System Center 2012 or Microsoft Private Cloud Solution, the concept of service template is to allow you to design your infrastructure using a template format. It's basically a very user-friendly way of looking at your infrastructure. Now, in this case, we actually load up a 4 tiers applications templates. Now, in these 4 tiers application templates, you have the web tiers, you have the application tiers, you have the data centers tiers. Now, it can be standard templates that you already created, having it in your libraries, and customize it. Now, the good thing about this is that you don't have to go and design individual VM and figure out what applications to put in, and then how they are going to be connected and talk to each other. Now let's go ahead and quickly finish the configuration. BlockEngine.net 2.0 that Daniel has helped me design and rolled out. I just got a call from my developer this morning and say that the application is now ready. Now in System Centers 2012 and Microsoft Private Cloud Solution, what we have introduced, new features that we have introduced that is called application virtualization for server. We basically virtualize the application. So any .NET application, any Java-based application, we can virtualize it, and we can actually roll it out independently. Let me show you how quickly that can be done. So Daniel, can you help me to upgrade my Block Engine application? Now, you can see now its current release is 1.0. Now, I want to upgrade it to 2.0, right? So you can see the 2.0 is now available, published in my service template. So you can see that at the back end, the server is actually running. This is our version 1 website. I have a web server running, but I don't have any application and content running on it. So now let's go back and check if are we done. Okay, so the 2.0 application is now updated on my Block Engine application. Now let's go back to our website again and do a refresh. Voila. You can see that with System Center 2012 and Microsoft Private Cloud Solution, it is almost transparent to you, and it is almost at the click of your fingers to quickly upgrade an application that you have deployed. I have a project that I would like to roll it out to the public cloud areas. So Daniel is going to help me to roll out these services that we have identified. Again, the same concept, service template. You construct it by using a service template. You design it based on the libraries definitions that you already have. And once you have that service template ready, a click, a deploy, okay, you will actually push these applications into the cloud. Again, so the same tools, the same solution, not only helping you to manage your data centers, your private cloud environment, it also gives you the reach into public cloud, taking advantage of the resources that potentially that you can tap into in the futures. Okay, so that concludes the System Center 2012 demo, and I'll get Matt to come back out to help us to wrap this out. Thank you.